Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shakkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amadam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, today we will recall the first chapter, that is things around us. Children, before moving to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is move and face. Listen children, first I will give you the instructions. You should follow and do. Listen children. If I say move, you have to dance. Then if I say freeze, you have to freeze on your place. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. Move, freeze, freeze, move, move, freeze, freeze, move, move, freeze. Super children. Children, shall we recall the first chapter, things around us? Yes, let's start. Children, can you tell what are the concepts we saw in this chapter? Yes, you are right. Natural things, man-made things, living things, and non-living things. Children, say what is enjoyment? Yes, enjoyment is a place where different things are such as a swampy or hot enjoyment. It can be living or non-living things. Children, tell what is meant by living things. Children, tell something about living things and give one example. Yes, you are right. Things can grow, move, eat, react, and alive are called living things. For example, trees, flowers, birds, animals, fish, human, etc. Children, tell, can a leaf grow? Yes. Children, tell, does a giraffe eats food? Yes. Children, can an ant move? Yes. Super children. Listen one more time. Things that can grow, move, eat, react, and alive are called living things. Children, say, can a table move? Does a car eat food? Can a chair grow? Can a lamp move? No. Children, now let us recall about non-living things. Listen, things that do not move, grow, breathe, eat, and produce are called non-living things. For example, chair, table, lamp, car. pencil, pen, table, etc. Children, now let us recall about difference between living and non-living things. Living things, non-living things. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Then living things need food, non-living things do not eat food. Living things move, non-living things do not move. Living things feel, non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Children, now we are going to recall about natural things and man-made things. First, we are going to recall about natural things. Listen, children. The sun, mountains, forest, air, rocks, rivers, animals, and birds are example of the things that are created by nature. Then, children tell, what is mean by man-made things? Yes, the things created by humans are called man-made things. For example, jute bag, table, sweater are example of man-made things. Children, do you understand about natural things and man-made things? Have you all understood? Children, I'll give some examples for natural things and man-made things. See, natural things, man-made things. Natural things, sun, mountain, trees and sky. Man-made things, bag, book, clothes and door. Children, these are all examples of natural things and man-made things. Children, are you clear about the concept of natural things, man-made things, living things and non-living things? Yes. Children, now we are going to see about rewards for your homework. Now look at this slide. I awarded with 2 smileys for those who have finished their homework on time. Children, so do not be delay in submitting your work for the next session. I need all your columns to be filled with 2 smileys. So now I am going to read the name of 2 smiley students. Akshaya, Shrinish, Midunashri, Shivalika, Kanishka, Mogidashri, Mokshita, Pranav Siddharth, Dashwant, Gausiga, Ashwath, Vaijesh, Hensika, Mohit, Hashini, Prasannasegaran, Darshikashri, Jashvika and Shashwin. Children, give a applause for them. Very good, children. Keep it up. Well done. Children, now it's time for homework. Read the question and answers in chapter 1. Refer your classwork note. Thank you, children. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.